Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your own unique Canva frame for your projects, but thought it might be complicated, today's tutorial is perfect for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom Canva frame in less than a minute. Seriously, you'll be able to use this trick for social media images, presentations, digital scrapbooks, or any creative project that needs a personal touch. By the end of this video, not only will you know how to do it, but you'll be amazed at how easy it really is. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Canva.com and make sure you're signed in. If you're not, it just takes a second. This is your creative workspace, kind of like an artist settling into their studio. Everything starts here. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for that big Create a Design button. Give it a click. Now, instead of picking a template or preset size, we're going to make things truly custom by setting our own dimensions. Hit Custom Size, you'll see a little box where you can type in numbers. For this tutorial, let's set the width to 100 pixels and the height to 50 pixels. Don't worry, these measurements are just a starting point. You can adjust them to fit any project, but keeping it small helps us make a neat little frame fast. When you're ready, click Create New Design and watch your blank canvas pop up like a fresh page in a sketchbook. With your new canvas open, glance over to the left-hand menu where you'll see a bunch of tools. This is where the magic happens. Find and click on Apps. Depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll a bit, but take your time. This section is Canva's secret weapon, offering tons of special features you might not have noticed before. In the search bar at the top of the Apps section, type FrameMaker. As you're typing, Canva will show you suggestions. Select FrameMaker from the list and click to open it. Don't worry if it takes a second or two to load, especially if it's your first time giving it a try. Just like opening a brand new box of art supplies, it's worth the short wait. Now here comes the fun part. You're going to see a wide variety of frame designs pop up. These range from classic photo borders to some really creative shapes and styles. Take a moment to scroll through and check them out. Feel free to pick whichever design grabs your eye. You can always experiment. Once you've found a design you like, simply click on it. Then at the bottom of the window, you'll see a button that says Add to Design. Click that. Canva will instantly place your selected frame onto your custom-sized canvas. You can move it around or tweak its size, just like arranging a real frame around a piece of artwork. And that's really it. You've just created your own custom Canva frame, ready to use, download, or build on further. Wasn't that easier than you expected? This quick method not only saves you time, but lets you flex your creative muscles and stand out from the crowd, whether you're making an Instagram post, a fun invitation, or something totally original. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or want to share your own designs, drop me a comment below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy creative tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.